The smallest things in life, absolutely beautiful. We have the power to change another person's life with a little bit of help. That's how little things can be major in life. The small things that we do to make up memories for other people, which is significant to them. The kindness you show, your warm smile, how you walk or talk, how you build your friendships, etc. These are small things that can determine the course of your life, or even those around you. This is what life is all about. We can be very happy for little things such as getting a good sleep, being able to not get offended at all, the sun shining on your face, laughing until you can't control yourself, making someone else happy, reading a life-changing book, etc., etc. Although they have very little value, they will make you happy. They give you inner pleasure. Most importantly, they can change lives. Good night. Just a friendly reminder, this is going to be the last motivational video on this channel before I put my next motivational video on a new channel. I'll be putting in the link in the description. So if you want to see more motivational videos like this, then you can go to the other channel. You can like, subscribe, turn on post notifications so you never miss an upload. And I'll see you in the next video, which is not going to be something like this.